empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
I think if this 15-minute can hold this recent support, then I think it should continue up. Right? Hello, hello YouTube.
What'd you say?
I said
I was listening to music.
if this 15-minute holds this most recent support here, it will continue up.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. That's what I actually tried to say. It's gonna, but it didn't close bullish, so never mind.
Yeah, it's the latest structure that needs to hold for me to look for the longs.
My only problem with it is we're not creating higher wicks.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is dangerous. It's
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah.
It's looking like it's about to range already. On the 5
Delicate
minute.
situation.
Yeah. So I'm just listening to music, browsing the web, because I need some volume to trade this. If I
Yeah.
want 10 pips at least. So 15-minute confirmed support, 30-minute confirmed support. Next candle, there's a potential entry. 1 hour broke. Yeah.
Oh, the 4 hour flipped.
Yeah. Come on, create a higher high. Come on.
It's flipping.
Come on. Break the high.
Yeah, it's flipping. The 1 hour is forming. If this 1 hour closes above, I'm going to take this.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I
I might wait for a little retestment or retestment.
Retestment.
Retest.
New word for the day, retestment.
Yeah.
Testament.
And after that,
Oh, this 1 hour close would be juicy.
Yep.
yeah, look at the 30 minutes creating support next to resistance. That's how you know we're about to be on the way to
Yep.
Mars.
It's doing what it's supposed to do. You're closing above. So yay.
Let me set up my babies.
Gross 1 hour stop loss. Yeah, but
Magic
swimmers,
keys.
look at where your TP is. 142,700, yo. I have it because here, previous daily wick, 700. Obviously, there's this wick here first, but once we clear that, bye bye.
See you later.
See you later.
60 pip
targeting
range,
the-
right? On the higher time frame.
Sorry?
The range, I think for the higher time frame is like what, 60 pips?
Yeah, up.
Yeah.
If the stop
Targeting
loss,
the weekly wick.
yeah, if the stop loss is too
Field.
big, I think the weekly wick way. Or this previous one?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the first target.
yeah.
I think if the 1 hour stop loss is too big because of the wick, looking at this resistance that held, right, this box, like you can put your stop loss below this resistance, like oh shit, below this resistance, somewhere like here. You should be safe. That will cut half of this area away. This
I got
area.
it below the 30-minute support.
I mean, because your target is nearer, so it's fine.
You what?
Guala's target is nearer.
Okay.
No, I'm catching the same first
Oh.
TP as you. Yeah, it's just that structure. It's 30-minute structure shouldn't break.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
At a 1 hour, I got a 15 pip stop. That's fine. For
Of
me.
course, expire already, I think. What's wrong with it?
Come on, buddy, break.
No, it smells funny. You throw away. You eat it already. You eat ah?
You're taking it on 30 for one.
So two things I need to see for me to take a trade. This 1 hour must close above this. This 30 must close above the resistance. Same thing for the 1 hour. Must close above this.
Nah, if the 1 hour closes like this, the next candle's gonna break through for sure. Just gonna give you another pullback.
Yeah, but it has to hold this resistance though. So if let's
Spread
say,
are you guys getting?
huh?
Spread are you guys getting?
I don't know. I see.
1.
So yeah, it's a bit higher.
Yeah, mine is
Mine
1.
is what, 0.8, I believe.
IC is lower.
These spreads are nasty. You know, I've been milking these pairs, man. I wasn't able to trade 12 pip ranges. Now I can. You know?
Yeah. Welcome to our land. You had like
Yeah, man.
super high stop loss, super high spreads last time.
I needed at least a 15 to 20 pip range. Now I trade a 13 pip range, catch 10 pips and be done. Easy. Commission's just a little.
Last
pay a
time you
little bit.
didn't have commissions, right? Did you?
Yeah, I did.
How much
Not
was
a
it?
lot though. But I used your code to sign up for that commission cashback thing.
Oh, have they approved you yet? They take a while.
No, they declined me because I used the same email.
Huh?
Yeah, I used one email on my broker's account, and then the other email I use a different email for that cashback site, and
Oh.
you need to use the same ones.
Oh, but it's easily fixable, right?
Yeah, I sent them an email, so we'll see. Should get back to me today.
Nah, it depends. If let's say your account is clean and clear, then yeah, few hours. Mine took a few days because I have a few issues on it. But within a week, you should get it set up already. Maximum. Their turnaround time is quite fast. Money, money, get back your money.
That's legit.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, GJ, please don't range. I'll be very sad if you range.
This is
Yeah,
the
we're
wicks that
ranging.
I'm concerned with. The bodies are small.
Mm,
Don't like it.
yep. Either way, we didn't lose, so we can watch it.
I'm about to play World of Warcraft. Figure out how to do that, actually.
Oh, it's looking good. It's coming up.
Get ready. Booms. Fly. So the next one, I want it to make a lower wick and then go up. So it could, if it closes above, it could then test this latest resistance as a wick. And booms. Fly.
Booms.
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 Who needs sound effect when I can do my own? Booms.
Yeah, that's why I actually wanted the first 30 minutes candle to drop. Now we have less time to wait for the close above our close to our zone.
All has bullish. I think 4 hours also flip bullish.
Yep. If this 1
Where you
hour
guys target?
can close above, the 4 hour would definitely flip bullish. Now it's still playing. My target 142, 450 and beyond.
700.
Yeah, 700.
It's
Is
just
it
the
a
daily
4 hour
wick,
high,
isn't
right?
it?
Yeah, previous daily and weekly.
Mm.
You said 142, 250, L?
No, 450.
Mm.
Ooh la
Makes
la.
sense.
Ooh la la, it's going. Ooh la la. This retest was nice on the 15 when it pushed down just now for the first half of the 30-minute candle. Pushed down, held the support, didn't break that higher low, and then now it's continuing up. Looking good.
And if it close like this, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Let it tap.
Si se puede, Gigi, si se puede.
Ooh, yay, yay, yay. David is in so much profit now.
Hey, that 20% is still going, man.
Yeah, man. Hold it. Hold on for the ride,
yeah.
man. It's going up. It's clear already.
But
It's
I'm
quite
re-entering.
clear.
I'm not re-entering with 20% of my profits.
Good
What
move.
happens? More? 50?
Conditions for entry 1 hour. So I'm looking at the 1 hour. This 1 hour must close above this resistance here. Then I'll probably put I'll let the next candle come down to hold into either this resistance or this resistance. Then when it flips bullish, I'll take the entry. So depending on how deep that lower wick goes, then I'll place my stop loss accordingly. So it's either at this area. I don't think so. This is unlikely, but more likely than not, it should be here. So that's around 142, 180.
Right, deep.
Martin, I thought the entry has to be at London Open. You entered earlier. Oh.
Now disappoint us and close back in the range.
Why you gotta say that? Why?
Trying to jinx it.
I'm not trying to jinx it. I'm trying to buy it too, but that's just how it's about to happen. Look at it.
Nah, it's good. Good support.
Yeah.
Jinx it.
Jinx it. Martin is already in a trade. Jinx it. See, Martin never follow your rules. Tweak your set strategy some more. Jinx it.
Rough. That's rough.
Bruh.
Oh man, if you guys did that to me while I was in trade, I'll freak out, man.
Bruh.
Oh man, there's 2 minutes left and it's like below the resistance.
Oh, Martinez, bro. Why you not following your rules? You laughed at me last time too.
Wow, is this how this is gonna go on the stream? You guys gonna get back each other?
Grow up, guys. Come on.
Guys, you know what's the funniest thing? Last night we were doing a webinar, right? Martin beat me so badly. I got my ass whooped by his stupid coin flip strategy. He went 2R on every trade. 1 trade at London Open, 1 trade at New York Open. He did 5+%. I did 2. What the shit?
I didn't do 5+%.
Wasn't it 5+?
It was 9.8%.
Oh, okay, sorry, bro. I hope this comes out.
Damn.
You said coin flip? What
Oh.
kind of?
Man, you guys are like making me feel bad.
My
You
T.
wanna know the strategy? You gotta buy my course, bro.
No, just buy a coin.
A Martinez course.
Martin, I'll let you trade an account of mine.
Looking good.
Spencer,
About that,
I'm
Martin.
looking. Wait, 1 second.
50-50.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Yeah.
shit.
Good.
Yeah, nice.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh, they damn.
Swimmers. My targets. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the line. I'm looking at 450, the 27 fib extension, and then around 700. Yeah, but I'm trading my stop loss up. So these are the 2 areas of targets that I'm looking at. 450, 700.
My god, is he going without us?
It's
No.
okay. You have a lot of space above.
Come down a bit, yeah. You are waiting for the flip, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
What? I'm
Because
entering.
Whoa.
You
So you could
entered.
move really fast. That's volume time.
I'm entering normal. Stop loss below 30 minutes. Looks good.
Seven, 6, 5.
Damn.
Oh, what's the
Boom, boom.
whip, G?
Oh, no way!
Oh.
Oh my god!
Come on, man.
Come on, GJ. What the shit?
Oi, oi, what? Oi.
Oh, DJ. Bro, it's gonna go down. Look,
Oh.
bro, it's going. No FOMO, guys.
Oh, I will flip the
Including myself.
Oh, that was shit. What do you mean? Where's the wick?
Bro, that's that. Yeah, GJ played it,
Oh, that was a letdown.
bro. I have a small wick on my MetaTrader though. Does that count?
This could go. This is like 50-50. Could go like.
Have space on your stop loss. I would say just have space.
Yeah, I entered.
Yeah, I took it also.
I got stops below this previous 30-minute candle. Currently profit 0.01 pips, 0.5, 0.4, 0.5. Let's go for the
I'm
one
too
pip
late.
rally. Let's go. No, you're not.
Nah.
Depending on your
you still
spread
get-
though.
I think what will happen
Smaller.
is it will go up, fill the wick, this area here, and then it will come down again, and then it will go up again. Yeah, watch this area here, this area, the previous wick on the 1 hour. I took it based on the 4 hour flipping, so
Wait, isn't it weird though? Like my trading view does not have a wick, but my MetaTrader has a small wick. So
nah, just different market.
To your MetaTrader, boy.
Yeah.
Don't,
Yeah, it
don't
is.
look at your trading view.
bro, I was looking at the trading view, so I was like,
Before you execute, you should look at your your MetaTrader.
Look at your broker first.
yeah.
Yeah, I have a baby wick also.
No, I missed it.
That's why I hesitated. So I missed maybe like
Yeah,
One-
when you hesitate, it's best not to go in, eh?
nah. I'm in, but smaller. What is it called? Lot.
Yeah, I'll just size down. Okay, let's see. So I took it somewhere.
Don't know.
Oh. As
Only
Oh, it's
looking for
okay. Ace is at the wick already. Just watch to see if it can come down again.
I don't think so.
no,
Volume's
it
about to
doesn't
kick in,
matter.
bro.
I've already missed it.
You can
Volume's
enter
about
now.
to kick in.
Oh, if I enter now, I'll be way higher plus. That's like spread as well. So
Yeah, just don't have. Just have clear mind and just wait. If the opportunity comes, get in. If it doesn't, it's okay. It's still Monday.
Look at Kevin, man. Word of the wise, man.
Thank you for the recognition, man. Thank you. It's all Elnor's. What do I say? I wanna compliment Elnor.
It's all my
Because of-
roasting.
Yeah. Man, don't switch it like that. I was trying to compliment that. I guess.
Asians cannot take compliments. We feel so
yeah,
weird.
so true, so true. Because they think you're lying or something.
What?
You don't really
Some
mean
trust
that.
issues, huh? You guys got some trust issues then.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah, let it come down.
And what, enter?
No, watch it, watch it. So it needs to hold. See how I have my gray areas, right? There's a reason why my stop loss is like that. Because I am expecting this level here, this resistance on the 1 hour to hold. So if it doesn't hold, right, it's gonna come deeper. So when it comes deeper, I will cut my trade and then I'll wait around this area for my retest.
Then what was your rationale for entering the trade earlier?
Because the 4 hour already flipped.
Okay.
Yeah, and my 1 hour also broke resistance here.
But if you anticipated that was going to do a deeper pullback, why didn't you just wait?
Because I'm not sure whether it will pull back to only this area or it will come down even deeper. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's volume now, so the 38 might hold. Yeah, but if you guys think that it's coming down, then obviously don't buy this.
Yeah, I didn't get in because early on in the week, I kind of entered something similar like this, and it didn't have a wick.
Yeah.
You know, and it's doing exactly what it did to me last week.
Yeah, so for me, like my position is really small, so I'm watching two areas of my stop losses actually. Either the 4-hour wick low or this 1-hour resistance.
I feel like it needs to get some liquidity here before moving up, since there's no wick on the previous candle.
Could be, yes.
I think the 1 hour was a good liquidity grab though, don't you think?
Where? Oh, this wick,
yeah.
is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's also why I took it. Because like I was telling you guys just now, right? This area here, it rejected right off my 50.
Yeah.
So that's why I liked it for the longs on the 1 hour. So it rejected my 50 and then it closed above. So I took it in anticipation of the volume. But if it does break this support here on the 1 hour, I will cut off. I will cut off my trade. Like at least half, I think, depending on how it breaks. Like this one is it came down and poked to it, but it didn't really break yet. So I'm still watching.
That needs to happen.
So
It just respected. It just showed us the that it respects the 1 hour support that it just made.
yeah. So
That's
to
why I
me,
always take profit at the bodies.
yeah. To me, when this wick came down to retest this area here and then flip bullish, right? That was a retest to me because at this point in time there's volume, so I just took it first. So if it comes down deeper, then I'll cut accordingly here. But I'm still thinking it will go up higher.
They already could have.
Okay, now I cut half because the bodies are breaking. So I'll look to re-enter around that half. I'll look to re-enter here, somewhere inside this box.
Does this mean it's just gonna fill the wick down now?
It might.
Okay.
Yeah, it might.
Yeah, today is not as thought it would be a better market structure. It's difficult playing at this daily resistance here.
Yeah, exactly. So now see, it's coming to a previous resistance, so I'm still watching it. If it breaks below, then obviously I don't want to be in it.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Yeah, I closed out full positions.
Yeah, I think it's coming down to 100 actually. Coin flip, did you make your 2R on that quick move up? Because you entered early. Yeah, I cut also because I don't like this. It's coming here. So now if I want to wait for my longs, I will wait inside here. Because the volume didn't push it up. So I'm waiting at 142, 100.
Journaling this is gross.
If it feels the wick and then goes up again, I'm gonna be really annoyed. You didn't go full size, right? Voila. On this, cause you didn't have a top wick.
I did,
Oh.
but I cut a whole bunch off
Okay.
right before. I didn't even it didn't even hit my full TP or stop.
Yeah,
I
me neither.
cut everything off. So basically, I did go half size because the risk got reduced. Let's see.
He's back at that 15-minute support again. He's rejecting.
Open
Full
calc.
expense up now because we closed everything.
Yeah, I risked 0.89. I lost 0.89% on that trade. So still got 1.20% to go. And then I'll be done. I got one more shot to get a dub. Otherwise I'm done. Show stats.
$140, $230. Yep, this week here. It can need be that the previous 4 hour is a fake out and it will carry on down. I don't think we'll know yet, Kunal, until this 4 hour closes. So we won't know whether it's a fake out or not. But I know that there are people selling this.
Yeah, if I see it break below my zone right here on a 5-minute, I see it retesting that zone, and I'm gonna sell it.
Retest 142.
Maybe.
Holy.
Let me check news. Anything?
This is why I'm wary of like trading close to the daily zone.
Yeah.
That's massive range on the left on the daily.
Oh man, I hope it doesn't come back inside. That'll be really annoying.
Oh, that was it for me for today. You just play that.
Holy.
Ooh, it's inside.
Hey, he didn't enter, right?
No. Didn't, right, Ace?
That was good.
No.
Good.
Hell
Better
no.
intuition.
Good for you.
As soon as I saw that candle with no wick, I'm like, oh nah. Because it's at the daily resistance. Pulls back, I'm screwed. You know how bad I got screwed last year?
Yeah. Honestly, I've been losing a lot. Like every time I try to enter when price is breaking a strong
Say no
resistance or
more.
a strong support.
I'm with you on that.
Like even if it's creating like right now, it created a good 30-minute or 1 hour support. I just lose. Maybe I just have to not take those type of trades.
All you have to do is not to repeat last year's mistakes.
Yeah.
$142. Oh, if this is a manipulation
Liquidity.
grab, I'm going to laugh so hard. You
You think
just
it's gonna turn around?
it finessed everybody. Boom, take your stop. Bye bye. Bounce so fast.
From booms to vooms.
Yeah, it's inside my area now. I'm gonna watch it.
The the price action today doesn't look really good. Oh my god, that's scary. I reckon you can get a sell for the next candle that touches the zone. Keeps coming back down.
AU is in a range right now. To be honest, I think this area may not. You have 775, so I'm assuming is this resistance here. Possible, but I don't, because it's making lower highs already. Lower highs, and now this is a lower high, so I don't think it will go to this area unless it breaks the trend. So it's basically it's doing this now on AU. I don't really like buying when it's very near the end. It's very hard to trade. Ooh, look at this. Right into the zone. Monty, check your Insta. Lucas, I think you're in the wrong stream. Wow. Wrong stream, bro.
Probably watching you both.
I think so.
That's funny.
DJ did what it does best.
Yep.
Finesse.
Yeah.
That's why I love her. Oh. Dirty bitch just took my money.
I'm still watching for support to form.
I think it's got potential to go slightly down again a little bit.
I hope Uncle Ted's on Roger's stream today.
Hasn't he been coming on?
Huh?
He's been coming on, right? Like every day, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just hope he's on there so he calls out some gold. And I over leverage again and make my money back.
Oh.
I got one more bullet in the chamber, and I'm not.
Karen
Risking
is
it on
also
that.
good with gold, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Eleanor, I have. So there is on 142.321. If you look to the left, there is a wick that comes up, and then price immediately rejects. Could that have been a possible reason why?
142? What price?
142.321.
Yeah, it's the wicks on the left. Because if you look at this one on the 1 hour, it already rejected. Yeah. There's already wicks to the left.
Could that have been the problem, or the reason why price? Because there is twice even rejection before. Even when it created the high, you can see what is it on the 1 hour. So before the two new candles, there's that wick. It touched it and came back down, and then again it did that, and now it just turned around. So that could have been why. Just price couldn't break that, I guess. Do you think?
Yes. Plus, I think, right, on the 4 hour, this was, I mean, some people might say it's overextended. Yes, because it did push really hard for 2 candles already. So if you look at the 1 hour, there was no retracement at all. So this candle here, I think he wanted to do a retest to these areas before continuing up. So I think just because it reached a previous high, that was just a catalyst for the retracement.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just nice the area was resistant, so it could have something to bounce off. That's why it looks like, oh, it looks like a sell now. But nah, I'm just chilling.
That's why sometimes I hate those pullbacks on the hourly, man.
Yeah.
They're dangerous.
The higher time frame, like the structure is screaming buys because it is creating higher highs and higher lows, but it's just that maybe it just needed the like you said, bigger retracement, get more liquidity to break that high, and it could create support at this point where it is at right now, and then push back up. That's how I see it right now.
Possible. This area has a whole bunch of liquidity sitting above.
Yeah.
He's going there. He needs to go and he needs to do something to grab that liquidity.
Well, we got played.
Nah, I don't think so. You went full size? I hope you didn't.
I did go 1%.
Okay. It's okay, just be patient with this, you'll come back again.
Yeah, if this 15-minute candle gives me a nice close, because the 5 minutes already about to make this higher high, or this, yep, I entered again.
For a buy?
Yeah.
Are you just anticipating it? It could go up.
It's 4-hour resistance, 61.8 fib level, 5-minute breaking highs. There you have your confirmations.
Nope, I'm not.
Boom. Let's go, man. Alright, got my money back. I just need this 15-minute close. I don't know, man.
Not very sure about this Monday.
It's my last trade. Not going to draw down in this trade, so I'm in profit. As soon as I see it come to break even, I'm closing the whole thing. Forget that.
Yep.
Thanks, GJ.
Yeah, I'm watching this 5 to close because now I'm at the time of volume and it's very clear that GG has volume
Yeah.
in my area,
Yeah.
in this
Trading,
area where I
like-
was looking for support.
Are you trading off the 5L?
I'm watching it. It's forming a structure that I like.
It would be a nice support if the 15 closes. On a
Yes,
strong bullish. Yeah.
yes.
It aligns, so this next 5-minute candle, or when this candle closes like this, perfect, the next 5 minutes should give us a little wick down.
Mm.
Confirming this for support. That's what I'm really looking for to re-enter.
I don't know. I think it's a very delicate situation.
Well, Ace, we're all different type of traders, you know.
I fully support that.
Mm-hmm. As soon as I'm not taking no drawdown. I'm like 5 pips up. As soon as I see it go to 1 pip, I'm closing the whole thing.
Close above Alexi resistance, you mean? Or this one? Wait, that's resistance too. Where's the support?
Talking about the one tied to the body, the most recent one.
Where?
Here. You see it?
Close above. Ah.
It's around that 200 area. So I wanted 15 to ideally close above there. But then it also would have made a 15 support, like out the golden zone of the 4-hour area.
Yeah, I'm not rushing it.
The only thing is, if we take buys now, well, if I take buys now, the 1 hour is bearish currently. And the 30-minute is bearish, hasn't closed.
Yeah.
And when it closes, it will be bearish. If I take I don't know, I'm not confident with this 15 hours retracing that much. No.
I think
I
chill
closed my
first.
trade out too.
Yeah.
1 pip profit.
Yeah, I think if we see a 30 or an hour bullish, then yeah. Other than that, no.
Yeah.
I actually want the 15 to close just like this.
The resistance on the left be a concern.
This one?
15 on the 15.
This one? Where? This one? The wick?
Let me draw it. Yeah. 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 Because you're expecting to go back up, right? After being this liquidity zone here.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think I'll wait. Like what Mesa said, this is like I like how the 5 formed. So this is giving me an indication that it wants to go up. But the thing is, this is a very big candle down. It shoved right into this liquidity area.
I feel like it will consolidate it a bit, then it will retrace the move down.
Maybe. Until it closes below 142. If not, I'm not convinced that it's shorts. This latest level of support. Here, around 140. Wait, not 142. Yeah, I guess you could say 142. Below here, then yes, you could sell it down. But other than that, I don't think it's shorts yet.
Seems like the 30 is gonna close above the 30-minute support. The low, like the one at 150.
Close below support.
Above it, sorry.
30,
30, not the 1 hour.
yeah.
The answer, the 15 doesn't even have a wick.
Maybe with on my broker, but still didn't close above where I wanted to close, so I'm not too sure.
What if GJ ranges for London because Asia pushed?
Like last time, no?
Yeah. Asia didn't
Oh,
push for a very big move, but it did push.
Yeah.
It pushed like 30 something pips, I believe.
Yeah.
About to make fresh analysis. This is just disgusting. About to hop on the game and see you come back from New York, probably. Let's see.
Yeah, mid 34 pips in Asia.
Yeah, it always happens when Asian makes a trend. Yeah, it does, right, Andy? Like, I've noticed it too. Then it will consolidate here, chop, 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 and then New York. Either we do a correction, or it goes higher. Yeah, but the move comes in New York. So right now, I think I will chill first. I'll wait till the next, what's that? I'll see how this, what time is it? 1.5 hours more for this 4 hour.
Can't draw no ranges on the 30 minutes. It's just choppiness, man. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Only thing I'm looking today's gonna be a watch your higher time frame days.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, but as long as price stays above, so I've got a few areas of resistance that price needs to hold first. It's trying to hang on here because the candles are trying to break this resistance but failing, and then 142, 100. If not, it's gonna come down inside.
I think the only way to take buys now at this time is for this hour to close bullish, which is very unlikely.
Yeah. I would rather it come down actually, like come, this 1 hour candle just come all the way down here. And then it forms support here. Oh my god, I'll buy the fly. There will be a much stronger confirmation.
Yes. What? The coin isn't lagging? You know, I realized something.
Do you hit the 20 pips?
No, I lost it. I realized that this candle it failed the imbalance.
There's no imbalance on this time frame.
Eh?
There isn't.
Imbalance.
No, it's not. It's filled already. The blue one filled it.
How's it feel?
The wick. The blue one filled it. It filled
This.
both imbalance.
This. So this bearish candle it failed what's left to be filled?
This is not. It's here. This initially one, it was here. Left and right wick.
Why is this not an imbalance?
Because the way I see it is, okay, if let's say you have this, right? This one filled it already. Filled to here. So you are left with this to this.
So this bearish candle actually filled and then it rejected. So now I feel like it's going towards the next place that needs to be filled, which is 142,600. I mean, that's what I understand. I don't know.
For me, the only way I looked at the imbalance was here. In between the wicks on the left and right here. So that's all I had.
Oh yeah, I didn't see the wick.
Yeah, it's that wick, yeah. Exactly. So this was what I had. So the reason why it came inside here is because it tested the block here. Tested this one. Yeah. That's what I see anyway. But again, I don't use it for entry, so.
Well, I'll wait till New York.
Fire your second coin.
Yep.
I can't believe I lost to the coin. I'm still very sore about it. I got traumatized.
What currency is the coin?
I have no idea. Rubbish currency. Monopoly money.
Singapore currency.
Are you gonna be live on New York?
Yeah, the Zoom is carrying on.
I think I'm about to go sleep.
Yeah, see you later.
See you later.
When I take a win, I wanna journal it straight away. When I take a loss, I'm like, do I have to?
I journal it live in front of everybody.
I better do it as well.
Yeah. If not, I'll have like so much to journal later on.
And then you'll have to do your videos, don't you?
Yeah. Plus, if I journal, I might see something that I missed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm, 142,209, okay. Oh, but you... Let me see. Yeah, Josh, that's exactly what I was thinking. This area here is a liquidity grab to push higher. That's why I'm looking at my 4-hour area. So I couldn't really, because it's really messy, there's a lot of wicks here. So I used the line chart to try and spot the closes. So price is actually respecting this resistance here on the 4-hour. So I think this is that retracement to continue higher. Maybe on Lagarde's speech there'll be a move. Oh, but this is after London. This is near London close, I think. Then Bailey's on as well. It's really late. I think before that you probably can look for some trades. What is this? No, I don't need the RSI to know that this is extended. It's very obvious from price action that this was a second extended. It's just that I thought that this wick here, this blue one, if you guys can see, I thought that that was the retest already. So I haven't traded RSI in a very long time. Never really worked for me. Plus, this is quite obvious that it's extended. It's just that this wick here, I thought that was the pullback done already. So I anticipated the London volume to push it, but it didn't. But it doesn't mean sells, I think. Wow, this person is really very annoying.
Hello?
Hey Gola, what's up?
What happened?
Nah, someone's annoying me. Every time I take a loss. Every time.
What happens?
Then you see the trolls come up. Point.
Let me see you do it, boy.
Yeah, let me see you do it live then. Boy. Or girl.
It's probably a boy that paints his nails that's trying to troll you.
I'm perfectly fine taking a loss live in front of everybody.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine eating this loss because I know that I had certain reasons why I took it, which I explained before you came onto the stream. Just saying.
Who is it? I'm about to flame him up.
So there were certain areas that I was looking at.
Someone better not be talking shit about our beloved Al.
Nah, it's okay. What's new, bro?
Except me.
Nah. Yeah, so I already had confirmations for my buys, that's why I took it. Yeah, it's just that I anticipated volume. Volume didn't help me push. So I'm thinking of the reasons why it didn't. Because this area, this 4-hour candle, closing above all the wicks was a clear indication that I was supposed to buy this. So
yeah. It was a good but I'm just going off the 4-hour time frame today because this whole section until it breaks what level is this? 141.336. I'm trading 4 hours now, so it's nothing. Like going on the lower time frame. You can't find ranges, man.
Yeah, it's very messy on the lower time frame.
Can't find no range to trade. Like you can try, but the closest range you're gonna get is if you break a 4-hour zone at 141.958. Then you might be able to take it down to 141.818, which is about 10 pips. 13 pips. That's the only range I see.
No, I haven't checked the JXY and I don't check it.
This resistance doesn't hold. You could probably see it move down to 957. It's gonna be choppy though, but that's only 13 pips. So it's kind of pointless trading today. That breaks that 4-hour zone, 141.957. We could see 141.702. That's the move I'm waiting for on the 1 hour.
142.702. Yeah, same. I'm waiting for the longs
That's
also.
the move I'm waiting for. Yeah.
Yeah, to me, right, I think for my entry, if the 1 hour, if the 4 hour didn't flip bullish, right, I would have never touched this entry. Yeah, I took a lot of reference from my 4 hour candle. If it flip bullish, I was like, okay, this should continue then, because it takes a lot for a 4 hour candle to flip, especially after it pulled down so deep just now. So I think that was the only reason why I took it. Yeah.
But now that the sellers are talking, I believe we need to see these 4-hour candles close because it's pointless trading. Lower time frames at this point, unless it's around the higher time frame zone. Because if you look on the 1 hour L, it has clean structure right now, going down.
Wait, hang on. People are complaining about the noise. I've typed this 10 times. I just want to put it on my screen. 1 second. 1 hour?
Yeah. Yeah, looking at the 1 hour, you have clean traffic down to the left, but it needs to break resistance first. Oh wow, yours is weird.
You using the O-ended chart?
No. Oh yeah, this is what I mean, yeah. Clean traffic, yeah.
Here, right?
Still here. Fill this zone up in here. If we break resistance, if we get a break of that and a retest wick to that resistance, then you could possibly take it down to here. By that time it'll probably be volume time. We might see it down here.
Yeah.
There's chances. We'll just have to wait and be patient because it just broke down. 4-hour resistance. Broke below.
And this filling my screen really, I cannot. Yeah, I'm watching this.
5 minutes makes a double bottom. Oh goodness, lovely. I'm buying again.
You look at the 1 minute, it creates that W shape.
Oh, she said the 1 minute.
She beat you, bro.
You went into detail, didn't you, bro? Golly. Nah, but I do see it though on the 5 minute also. It's a double bottom. Dang, my paper trade's in profit. Fuck. I'll be back. I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna go drop the kids off at the pool.
Where's my text? Shit.
There's still volume now, which is the progress.
Yeah, but it's not pushing like how we have seen it push last year.
No.
So like last time London opens, boom, goes 30 pips, easy. Now it's like 20, 10, or 15. Oh my god, so gross. Can I pin a comment on YouTube? Yes, Andy, I can, but I don't think anyone really can read it. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see if I can pin this. Yeah, because it doesn't appear as a full text on YouTube.
Were they trolling again?
Nah, the person said he wasn't trolling, but his comments were... How should I put it? In hindsight. But I had my reasons and I explained it. So if you were late, it does look like I bought at a high. But I had reasons to enter this.
And it was a managed loss, so.
Yeah.
A lot of times GJ just wants to do what it wants to do.
Yeah. Today is the time that I hit the loss when I anticipated London volume. It betrayed me. The London volume betrayed me. Because I thought, so the thing was, this move in Asia is not very big. That's why I thought like, okay, London should have some gas. Nope. Apparently this is something.
No gas.
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait first. This is...
Yeah, as I told you,
It's tough.
before, the 1 hour broke everything, so I'm like, no.
Yeah. The 4 hour made me have hope. Okay, let me finish journaling this. I think I'll wait for the 4 hour to close to decide to take my guidance on the direction of GG. Because if the 4 hour flips down and comes in, then it could have been a 4 hour fake out, which is super nasty. Super nasty.
That's probably what it is. It's just a big fake out.
If the 4 hour comes in and closes below, then I will start considering shots.
Yeah, I want my 4 hour to close below 141.964. That's where I'll take shorts. Yeah, right there somewhere. If that breaks, then I'll be happy.
Yeah, Zara, you're right. So for this one, I used the 4 hour entry, but I used the 1 hour structure to put my stop. So I could have had it below the 4 hour zone here. So sorry, it's a bit messy, but I could have had it below the 4 hour zone here as well. But the thing is, because the reason why I had a tighter stop on this using the 1 hour is because the bulk of it was the anticipation of the London volume pushing me higher. Plus I also had this wick here previously, which showed me that it was trying to hold this level. So this candle, I wouldn't really have anticipated it. But the main thing is really anticipating London volume hasn't really played well. Yeah, but as long as you don't go too heavy on your trades, it's fine.
Gold's also ranging. Want gold to break down, man.
Yeah, Guala. I think it will come into your level that you're looking at. 900. Because I used the 4-hour swing that broke. It could come inside and form support there. Here. These wicks. So I'm watching. What's this price? Between 900 and 850.
Nah, man. L, I think we're about to see 141 area today, man. I think that's done. Buys are done.
Yeah, if it breaks.
Monday, new direction.
If it breaks that area, then I'll think about it. But this is coming down quite hard.
Yeah, I caught it this morning. I should stay with my bias. Should have been looking for sales the whole time. Yeah, especially this is about to break. If this is about to give us some sort of retest or some sort of new candle.
Yeah.
And then I'm waiting for the 4-hour regardless. So I hope this 4-hour breaks it. Then the next 4-hour gives us that trampoline retest. That'll be
the best
nice.
for shots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be 4 hours of stress-free trading. It's a possible scenario though. Get you.
Yeah, it looks like, it seems to me like this area above, the sellers are still there, they're not ready yet to let go. So right now, if this 4-hour candle closes like that, then more likely than not, I think the fake out is almost confirmed already. So I think it might want to come and trade inside here.
Yeah, so this is what I need to break in 38 minutes. Then I'll be the happiest person ever.
Then you can trade it down this candle.
Then I'll trade that whole clean candle down, exactly. And for sure we'll all get our baby losses back.
Yeah.
100%. But I think it's gonna happen in New York. We might see a little stop here, start ranging in between this new zone, this consolidation.
Yeah.
Then
Then maybe
New York
correct.
get that volume push. Huh?
Then maybe correct the rest of the move down. Yep, maybe.
And if we keep going, man, perfect. We might correct the whole move down to 141 for
600?
or 43-ish. I hope. Yeah, come on, man, break that thing, man, for me, please.
The problem is, if it breaks the area, right, it's gonna sit right in my zone already for buys, because I also have 141,800. So it's like it's a bit dodgy for me to take the shots.
Oh, you took the whole swing high to the whole swing. Yeah, you took the whole swing, didn't you?
Yeah. So there's a few things I'm looking at. Like I see, so it will come in here, yes, because there's still this imbalance here that hasn't been filled yet, right? So that's one thing that I'm looking at. The second thing is also this, I have a 4-hour zone here. So it was quite an old zone, but so it's minor, but I still think that it could have a reaction, plus it's just the golden zone. So I feel like it may do something. That's why I'm not rushing into the sells, even though the 4-hour candle is like strong now. Yeah, but you should be able to get 10 easily from this shot.
Yeah, I'm not going for 10. I want the whole loaf. I want the whole loaf because I took a loss today.
Yep.
Got one more bullet. I'm gonna spend it good. Just unless Ted says something, so like buy or sell gold, then I'll empty the whole clip. If Ted says buy or sell gold, man's a genius. Gold just range. It's disgusting.
What price am I looking at it to break? If it breaks below 800, then yes. I might be convinced. But to be honest, anything within here, right, Anthony, for me, this area here, I'm still bullish. On anything above my monthly level, basically, I'm still bullish. If price can break below 141,600, then yes, okay. I'll say the trend has flipped, but as of now, nah. I just think that price is at a very difficult level. It's a high. Oh, Guala. I think Guala is waiting for 950 to break. Right, Guala, you want this support to break, right? I think Guala stepped away. I think he's seeing this, if I understood him correctly. Basically, if I take away my fibs, he has this support here. This is the latest support. So if price closes below that support, right, he wants to trade this move on the 4 hour. Because it's clean. So if it comes up, taps this area, booms, then it will come down here. Yeah.
I see price going down there.
Here, right?
Probably between around that 70 area, around there. If you put just one sec, please.
Mm.
I've got YouTube on as well. Alright, yeah. If you put it on the 1 hour, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I see price coming around that between this 93 and 70
746.
and the 70 area, around there. We
Mm-hmm.
should price should play around there and then likely to go back up. That's what I'm watching now.
Yeah. Same.
I'm just waiting, and then my SL should be just below that blue candle. The blue, yeah.
Oh, and the checkout and you is struggling at the previous highs here. This area. Struggling to close above it even.
So you see, this is where it gets tricky, you know?
Yeah.
Breaking below, the 4 hours about to close in a half hour. It could keep tanking down all the way, make us miss the move. Oh, this is when it gets real tricky, man. It's salty at this point. It's salty, man. Okay, let me see if I can get a... Same with gold, man. Gold salty, man. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Goodness, get the fuck out of here. Oh, wow. What you think's about to happen?
Definitely coming down.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, that 4 hour candle broke structures, boy.
Mm.
Oh, wow. There goes my entry and everything. That's ridiculous. I need the 5 minutes to give me a pullback, man. Please.
The thing is, somehow I see this, right? So I don't really run to rush into an entry also because other than this area, which I see as an area where potential support can form, price also technically on the 4 hour, right? It made the higher lows and it also made its own higher highs already. So that's why I'm thinking if this one forms a support here, right, it's gonna be a new higher low and then it will continue higher. So that's why it's really tricky, I agree. But I'm just gonna wait for support to form.
Or resistance.
Or resistance, yeah. I
think we're
can't.
coming down, man.
Yeah. I think shots
Correct.
inside this area is a bit dangerous on, like, personally for me. But if you can see it, then yes, obviously take it. I'm not comfortable in
I
the
didn't
shots.
get the right confirmation to take it, so I won't take it.
The 4 hour is nice though.
Yeah, I know, but I needed the retest. I didn't get the retest.
But it hasn't even closed.
I mean on the on the 5 minute.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
It is.
Oh, this is a new pair you're trading.
No, that's my swing trades. The other tab.
Oh man, this GJ is melting.
Melting.
Not surprising.
Yeah, I'm not surprised also. I'm not surprised that it's in this area actually.
Well, no trade for me today.
Maybe later in New York.
Nah, I don't trade New York.
Yeah. At least you didn't lose today.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this tomorrow.
Yep.
Good. I'll see you. See you tomorrow.
Bye, see you.
Alright, man.
Alright, see you, Gola.
And they come right back down to the 61.80 on my.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let me see.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Following structure. At this point, it's a break structure. If I get the retest formed correctly, I'm taking it down. But I'm waiting for the 4 hour, so I got about 20 minutes left. I need to figure out how I can play the game, my computer game, and watch the charts at the same time on one screen.
1 hour. Reaction to fib level has more effect on price rather than price action. Like today in the morning, asked me if it can do a deeper retracement because it reached the 100 level of. Oh no, if you have a 100 level, right, it is a previous resistance usually. So you see, I think you had this level also, the top. So if this level, this wick, it is some kind of price action level. So if you use them in conjunction, you see that the fibs actually line up quite nicely with support resistance, as long as you're drawing it right, I guess. I wouldn't use the fib levels on its own. I always use it in conjunction.
Hey Al, you know anything about that?
What?
Cause you know I have a 49-inch monitor, right?
Mm.
How can I play a computer game and have the charts open at the same time on one monitor? Do you know anything about that?
Is your game a PC game?
Yeah.
Yeah, just use it windowed.
No, it's World of Warcraft.
You can, I think, change the settings, the
Oh.
graphic settings.
You mean just change to it like? Well, let me just see. That's a good
Yeah.
thing about
There, don't
trading.
make it full stop. Don't make it full screen. Yeah, exactly. Is that how I want
Yeah,
to?
but
I play on the. Sometimes I play on the other screen also, but it's not full screen.
Yeah, but that's the irritating part about having. Because if I hit play right now on it, it just poof. So you see, it just blows up my whole screen.
Yeah, because you're in full screen mode, you gotta change the graphics.
Oh, in the game.
Yeah.
All right. Does anyone else play World of Warcraft in here?
Oh, hey Sandra. Long time no chat.
No one. Okay.
Not anymore, I think.
Man, this game never gets old.
Oh. Nah, because Dylan, because he said used to. He's still playing.
This game's the stuff, man. I see your Zoom thing still in my game. That's about it. Okay, let's see. Menu, cinematics.
Where to set my fibs? I used it on this swing, on this 4-hour swing. So if you look at my screen, this was the swing that broke my level here, as it went up and broke all this resistance as well. So I was anticipating that price would do some kind of retracement to continue higher, because I'm long bias, right? So I just drop a fib from the bottom of this swing to the top of this swing. There you go. That's how I came up with the fib.
Oh, that was pretty easy. I got it already.
Yeah, bro. Now you can do both.
Primary monitor 1. Okay. Oh no, man. Menu.
Damn. You literally put it on the MetaTrader. No need to trade, but you can watch your profit. Nice. Hi Wilson, welcome. Yeah, Heisenberg, I see the 4-hour fake out also. That's the thing. So the thing is, I see this fake out, I see the potential of it coming down here, yes. But the thing is, I am not comfortable selling it for these pips here. Unless it does like some kind of proper retest only into this area and then comes down. Other than that, I would prefer to just wait. I took a loss already. I don't really want to fire my second bullet when I have a lot of resistance areas in my way as I come down. So I have this zone in my way, price bounced off it. I have my 4-hour zone also in the way. That's why I can't sell it with confidence. That's just all. But if you guys like can see the cells and are comfortable, then yes, of course, please take it. This is a very strong 4-hour close.
Yeah, I need that 4-hour closing. How I want it to. Otherwise, I'm not touching nothing. It needs to close like this, actually. Then the next 4 hour needs to give me a wick up and flip bullish or bearish. Sorry. Then I'll consider selling it on my second bullet. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. What quest do I got to go to, you buddy? Damn, I gotta go all the way over there. Don't feel like doing that.
Ooh, Power Toys looks interesting. Same profile like last time, although his news is still. Yeah, Glenn, to be honest, like nothing has changed for me. I'm still long bias. It's just that this resistance is very annoying. But I do see something interesting on the weekly as well, which is why I think it's having this reaction. If we look at the weekly, price has been making lower highs. So the thing about this is lower highs have been created. The most recent trend, this area has been created higher lows. So let me zoom in. This candle here, actually, this big bullish one, is the first candle that actually broke all these bodies on the left. Is the first one. So that's why I think it's struggling, because structurally it's lower highs, but it also has some kind of bullish momentum to break above everything on the left. So if it goes and breaks this trend line, then we should be able to fill this previous weekly area here. Yeah.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Hey, Koala, look at this. Someone suggested this in the YouTube. This one.
What?
Because your screen is so big, right? You can use this Power Toys for Windows 10. Apparently it allows you to segment things
Where
properly.
do I gotta look?
Zoom.
This is what I do. It prevents me from forcing terminal trades. What? Oh.
No, here.
choose your layout for this desktop.
Yeah, because your
Oh,
screen is so big,
okay.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, I got a big screen, man. 49-inch.
Yeah, so I think this it allows you like to have templated grids. Like my screen is not that big, so I usually use half only. But since your screen is so big, 49, you can fit 3. So this looks like an interesting tool.
Wait, where did you? Hold on, man. Let me turn off this game because I got a lot of stuff running now. Too much. I have like 50 tabs open. The game.
What the shit?
Yeah.
You can edit the layout too. Yeah. I like this. I always use this. I always use the Windows key to just divide my screen into 2. I never was able to do it 3.
Hold on, but this is the video explaining how to do it, or?
Yeah, and it has a link for you to download it.
Oh, I'll just download the link and I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Show
Yeah,
more,
looks-
download Power Toys, right?
Yeah. Go try it.
Yeah, it
Looks
might work.
interesting.
Alright, let me do this later. Because I'm waiting for this close. Actually watched it. Five minutes. 5 minutes for this close. Imagine catching it, right? Selling it up here somewhere, and it ends up being a swing trade down to 448 with the runners.
Monster trade.
Monster trade.
Monster.
But if this 4-hour closes back in that range, oh man, then I'm really not touching GJ today.
Which range?
Yeah, like on the 1 hour.
Oh, this area here. Wait, let me box it up. Here?
Open zoom. I think that's the one, yeah.
This is a big 4-hour candle. Big.
Yeah, if it closes back in that zone, I'm just gonna call it quits for today. Take my loss and a lot of people that took that sell actually did a really good job up there. Looking at the 1 hour, had resist or support that broke. Yeah, you've been up 32 pips at this point. Good stuff, man. Come on, 4-hour candle. What you giving me, man? That candle broke structures like crazy.
Vin, didn't EJ come down because of news? That was the German IFO that I think it wasn't very good. That's why EJ came down, I think. wanted to sell it, but it didn't retrace into my level. Yeah, Shani reacted to the previous daily wick. Booms, then it sold off. I'm still bullish. That's why I'm not really confident in the shots down here, even though there's this clean move down.
It could do anything here. It could reject or it could just continue
Yeah.
going down.
Yeah. That's the problem for me now.
Yep.
So if I'm not
Don't
sure,
like GJ today.
me neither. If I'm not sure, I'm just gonna stay out. Maybe bottom wick for next candle to go up. Yeah, exactly. Because I think like this could be doing whoop, whoop. I want this, obviously. I want this. Yeah. Because if I take this, oh, my loss is nothing. Because I will TP around 700, it will cover the loss.
Is the moon.
It's the moon. It's the moon.
To be fair, when I got up this morning, I was like, GJ should retrace a little bit today before we continue up. Even though everything was
Bullish.
closing above. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then... Tricky.
Really, if the 4 hour didn't close bullish, oh my god, I would have touched. If it didn't flip right, I would have touched.
Yeah.
I literally
Yeah, that's the thing.
I literally went, oh, when this thing had no wick, and then I took it after that. Yeah, I wanted to trade the 4 hour, but nope.
Nope.
GG had other ideas.
Always does.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's what
Alright.
GJ does though.
Got 28 seconds for this 4-hour candle close.
The thing is, it like, you know how on Friday, right? We were waiting for GJ
support.
to, yeah. We let like, for me, I let everything go.
I know. And that's why when I came back to the chat, I asked you, did you re-enter?
The longs, right?
On that, yeah.
This one, right?
And you said you left it.
Yeah.
You said it was too small.
Yeah, I regretted it so badly. Regret.
And it's Friday. You won't think that like it will go up.
Exactly. No, actually the thing was, I did think it would go up before I went offline. I did think it would go up, like here.
Yeah.
Then I didn't take it. That's the most stupid thing. Like I had that I really knew I had enough time to go up here before the close on Friday, but I didn't take it. That's the stupid thing. Because I had so much confluence. Yeah, it's so much. I should have taken it.
Yeah, you were waiting like for this area to
come in.
For GJ to have Yeah,
and I literally before
support.
that I even said I will wait for the support on the 4 hour. And then it formed support and I didn't take.
So annoying.
Yeah. That one really hurt.
Yeah. What can we do?
Let's see. Huh? Ay, 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 ay. Hey, I don't know, I feel a bit clouded. Let me use another chart.
It's not even giving us a retest. We're in consolidation.
Yeah, and this timing is the worst time to trade.
Yeah, because I'm about to open up my game. Or I'm about to figure out how to. Because I didn't even get the retest on the 4 hour. Oh, it might give it to me now.
Here, let's see, I have an area here. I have a resistance here. Everything in between is just noise. Maybe this minor level inside here.
You mean at 670?
This one, yeah. Wait, let me put on the candles. It's a lot easier to see on the line chart. But when you go to
Yeah.
candles, you're like, holy, what happened? I can't see anything.
That's right. But you're right, you know, on the 4 hour we created a higher high.
Yeah, that's why I'm really, really cautious about the cells. It's like
the
the
same
week.
thing as doing that it did last week, man.
Yes, yeah, it
The
is.
same exact thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That
if
triple top is doing the same stuff.
yeah. Let me see if this. Ooh, look at this gross trend line. I mean, I don't really use trend lines. I think it should be like that. Ooh, tap right to it. Let's see.
I mean, it broke actually broke the trend line.
Depends on how you drew the trend line. How do you draw it?
I draw it from wicks to wick, from the first bullish push wick to the second bearish 4 hour wick. Down.
Yeah, if you drew it like that, then yes, it broke.
Yeah.
Then if you draw it like this, then no, it didn't break. Like this. Bullish candle. Then this one is, I missed this, but I looked at this one. Like that.
Yeah.
Then it's still holding. That's the... Oh, Malcolm, you took USD CHF. Nice catch. It took a lot of time. It was very gross. Yeah. Yeah, I think it depends on how you draw the trend line. That's why I don't like trend lines. Yeah. USD CHF played with my feelings the entire morning. Chop chop chop. But when I saw that, so if you want to swing the idea, right, because I called it out inside the private area, Malcolm, if you want to swing the idea, when this candle came down, you have to give it a lot of time. That's why my stop loss is so big, because I accounted for the wicks at the same time. I wanted to give it space. So just be patient with it. As long as it didn't break below the... Yeah, adjust accordingly, because this is going to be a very slow trade. So if this candle close below this support, then yes, I'll be wary. But it didn't. It pushed down, stop right there. So just chill. If I adjust my stop loss, I'll tell you guys.
Are you gonna buy?
Yeah, I'm in a buy already.
Oh, on you, Sheffy?
Yeah, but it's a swing though, so it's going to be really, really slow.
Yeah, that pair moves like crazy.
He's a
that
snail.
pair moves like stuff.
Yeah,
Like
he's
shit.
he's a snail.
I can't stand that pair. I used to trade it back when I first started.
Yeah.
I hate that pair. Wow.
Yeah, he's a snail.
Cause I've always traded GJ, like always, like from the beginning. I picked the hardest pair.
Bro, if you
GJ.
think GJ is hard, right? Go and look at GA's worse.
GA is pretty easy. So is GBP CHF.
GA is very wiki though.
Yeah, but this is pair for me is easy now. All pairs are hard when you don't know how they move, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
I know how GJ moves. That's why I'm waiting for the break of the 5-minute structure to take this down. That'll be my final confirmation.
Mm.
And my last trade. Well, I'd have a, what's this? 10 pip stop.
The hardest to do is EU and UJ. EU, UJ. Okay, basically what I have on my swing charts here, right? EU and UJ probably sometimes I look at it as well. Everything here to me, apart from the pound and gold, the pound pairs and gold, they are just very very slow. So once I set it, I set alarms at certain areas. So like this area, I will just set an alarm. Then when it rings, then I'll come in. If not, I won't even look at it. I'll get a heart attack if you look at it. Yeah, just set an alarm and then forget it. Moving on.
If the 15-minute closes bearish at this point, then that confirms resistance. The first one.
Yeah, tight range though. On the left is very choppy. Like this clean candle down to 800.
It's just rejecting also on the 15. There's some weird price action today. What the holy moly.
Yeah, Malcolm, if you want to analyze gold, right? I don't trade it throughout the entire day. I only touch it at New York. So I think
yeah, New York's the best time to trade gold.
Yeah, it's the
That's
easiest
so
and the
easy.
cleanest. Yeah.
Yeah, so easy.
Yeah,
Get
so
so many easy moves. All you gotta know is the direction.
Yeah.
That's it.
yeah. Yeah,
Then
they
you
just
get
straight
your
in line with
take
the
profit.
direction. Oh my god.
Yeah.
The TP hits like within 1 hour.
That's it.
Or
Yeah,
even
man.
less than 1 hour actually. Boom! TP hit.
Shoot, when was it? I traded it with Uncle Ted like 2 weeks ago.
Mm.
TP hit in like 3 minutes.
Yep. Nah, but it depends on where your TP is, right?
He had a pretty big TP. His overall TP was pretty big. It was 100 or so pips.
Yeah. You were swinging for the lows here, I remember, on the daily.
Who, Ted?
Yes, 1780. I think he was saying that it would reach around that area.
On gold?
Yeah.
He's probably right.
Yeah. But it has to break this daily 1830 first. 1830,
Yeah.
1840 is super strong. Every time price reaches the area, boom, there's a reaction.
Yeah. He knows what he's doing. He probably has a position from up there just chilling.
I won't be surprised.
He probably has a position up there like, oh, it touched the daily. Let's just sell it and have a 30 pip stop loss because that will be enough.
Yeah.
That man's a god. I don't know what the fuck he does to I need his brain.
Yeah, Malcolm. It's the same structure. It's just that on gold, right, there are certain minor areas that you have to watch out for. So same, actually you can do whatever you're doing on GJ on gold, same thing. It's just that it has its own behavior. So like for example on GJ, I know that when I take an entry, I need to wait for it to flip after creating a wick. Then my hit rate is a lot higher. But on gold, I found that sometimes even if the candle doesn't have a wick, right, it will still go as long as you're trading off a solid enough time frame. Yeah, so it's different behavior.
GJ's choppy, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, leave it. This is the gross time. Just wait in like an hour.
Let me see Euro USD. I mapped it out with my homie yesterday. Ooh.
This is accounts here around. It fell because of this.
What?
It fell because of the German news.
Oh, this is news, isn't it?
Fell right after that.
Doing the same thing as GJ, just sitting there.
That's about it.
It was just sitting there, literally, like. And this pair moves way slower.
Yeah. But it's respecting my 50 though.
From buy or?
Sells.
Yeah, I was about to say, I'm shorting this. I mapped this out yesterday. I'm shorting this for sure.
Yeah, I'm shorting it also. I wanted it to come up higher. I wanted it to come to 126.5. But right now I think 5. But right now I think, like, because this entire bullish move last week, every single move was because of news. Yeah. So
Hey, you want to come up super high, huh?
We're almost there already.
Wait, am I looking up? Yeah, I don't know this pair that well. 126.500, right?
Yes.
That's a bro, that's about like 50 pips away, man. No, it's more. I don't know, man. That's kind of high to retrace that high.
Yeah, I use the daily level. I use the daily fib.
But wait, what are you? You're talking about Euro USD, right? Because
No.
126 is
Euro yen.
Oh, I'm like, what?
Euro yen.
Oh man, I was talking about EU, man.
No. I thought you were looking at EJ. I said Euro yen.
Nah, man. I'm like, what is she? Is she okay?
No. I took that loss and I got a concussion.
Nah, EU's crashing down at this point, but the 4-hour doesn't have a top wick. That's scary.
Yeah.
It's okay for the 30-minute not to have a top wick.
Yeah.
When the 4-hour doesn't have a top wick. That shit's scary.
What do I think about these shorts? What is this blue line? Bruno? What is the blue line? I think your blue line is like the same as my... It looks like 141... 831.
It's lovely. The month isn't even done yet. They're already knocking on my door to get my money. Just got an email. Yeah, you gotta pay your internet, kid. Welcome to the real world. Fucking shit.
Look, it tested your resistance. Sorry, your support. And it flipped. On the 4 hour.
Yeah, 15 closed bearish.
That's your resistance confirmation. Now my only confirmation. I need this to break the 5-minute support. I need to break it. So it needs to break its own low.
I see what you're seeing. Let me see.
Good morning.
Hey, BP.
Hey, Mr. Spanish. BP.
Hey, how you doing?
¿Qué pasa, hombre?
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien. Gracias muchos.
In Belgium, you speak French, right?
I don't.
No.
You don't?
Yeah, there's some parts when they speak French, but I can't speak French.
What do you speak with that?
Dutch.
Dutch.
No, you must say hola to BP.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hola.
Hello, BP.
Hola, 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 hola. I don't know, it's
Hola.
hola. It's hola. So what are you guys looking at? 4-hour close bearish, quite strong.
I took a loss
What are
just
you
now.
looking at?
You took a loss.
Sorry,
Yeah, I took a loss.
What did you took?
I entered off the top when this 4-hour candle flipped bullish, and then it immediately boom came down. 4-hour trick me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 30-minute didn't have a top wick.
Yeah, 31 hour no top wick. The only reason why I
Yeah.
entered was 4-hour flip bullish after rejecting my 4-hour zone here.
So you entered around 144, 142.10.
No, higher actually. Yeah, 260.
260. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I anticipated London volume to help me push. Then nope.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna continue, but when I saw the 30-minute closing without top wick, I was like, "Hey, let's wait."
Yeah.
But it was a good trade. I mean,
It's a
Reasonable.
trade that I always take.
yeah. So
Yeah. So I was looking
lot
at
of
it.
probabilities.
Yeah, on the higher time frame, like on the weekly, right? I think it's at a tough area. If you look at this, so I was telling the
Yeah.
rest of them.
Lot of rejections.
Yeah.
The weekly.
And the weekly is like bearish. Oh my god, look.
Yeah, but this is gonna change. You see that we are having
This candle might
high
change.
low, high low, high low, high low. Broke above this. We should head up to this level.
Yeah.
See, on the weekly we have clean space
Yep.
for it to go higher.
Exactly. Which was why just now when it broke above, I thought, okay, the structure has changed already, it broke, but nope, not yet.
Yeah, and also the week. I mean, we've been like what till from 13th of January, trying to break out this 142.15, 20 level.
Yeah.
Once
So I
that
really
breaks,
thought it was
man,
gonna break.
wow.
Yeah.
Whoever's in those buys, man,
Monster.
man, they're gonna eat big time.
Yeah, that's why I'm
But I
just
thought it was
waiting.
gonna break today. I mean, we have 4-hour closing above.
Yeah, exactly. Then nope, it fizzled out.
Yeah.
Like I was thinking, could it be the Asian, like this Asian bullish trend? But this bullish trend is so weak. It's like 30 pips only. But yeah, apparently there's something to it.
My friend caught that move up actually. He just started trading like a week ago.
No, the one that went
Oh,
one lot on
demo.
everything, right?
Yeah, caught it on his demo. He said, "I told you I could do it." I'm like, "Yeah, good job." No one trades on Sunday, only you. Market just opened. He said, "I just bought it."
Zone retest shot.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. I think I would want break.
I'm waiting for it to touch 142. Hope we get a move down.
Why that level?
142 was previous support on the 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour. Okay, that makes sense.
I mean, I'm waiting for the price to make a top wick on the 4 hour and go down.
Didn't it already make?
Making it now.
It's making it now.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's retesting something. You might see it come up to 14200 as well.
Yeah, it's gonna come to 142 at least. The thing is that if it's gonna go higher than 142.10, that's key zone. It goes above 142.10, we're heading higher again.
79,200. Ooh.
Old Tom L's is milking the buy. She bought at the bottom wick at 141, 835. She just milking it now.
No, I'm not. I'm out already. Oh shit! Shit! Yes.
Come on, man.
No, yeah, I did.
I was distracted, yo. My bad.
Yeah.
Girls are such bad liars.
I know, right? I'm
You know,
the
at
worst
my
liar.
store, where I work out, you can't come shop. You can't shop with two people, right? So it's a lot of boyfriends and girlfriends that come shop. and then they'll try to like come in separately, and then I'll ask the man like, "Are you together?" And he'll be like, "No," and then the girl will be like, "Yes," at the same time. I'm like,
Oops.
"Yep." Turn around. I'm like, girls are bad liars, man. Oh wow, look at it, looky. Close back in the 4-hour zone.
Haven't closed yet, man.
Yeah, 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Let me see. Wait, shit. Who asked this?
Even if it closes above,
Mm.
142 is gonna be key in my opinion.
Yeah.
142, 142.10.
That's what I'm looking at too.
Yeah, it's too early. Volume hasn't arrived yet.
Yeah. But like Elle said, if this 4-hour close is bullish, forget it. That's a higher low.
Yeah.
Again.
Later during New York, I'm gonna
Yep,
buy the
totally.
shit out of it. Revenge.
Revenge
Man,
trading.
I'm telling you, over leverage.
full margin.
I'll whack it so
I'm
hard.
gonna put my house on the line.
Punish it for taking my money. Let me see.
You don't play with Ellie.
Man, imagine go to your broker and be like, "Yeah, I put my house on the line." Would they accept that? If you go to like the office, you know?
No, what you can do is you can ask for a loan with your house as
As a
guarantee.
signing thing, like if you lose it, they'll take your house.
Yeah.
Man.
You say what's my house? 200,000, 300,000? Okay, give me a loan of that amount. Put it on the broker. If you
Collateral.
lose your house.
Yeah, it's collateral. Wait, give me a second. So on AJ, right, Michael? Wait, give me a second. So on AJ, Michael, what I'm seeing, right, on the daily, weekly, everything is bullish. So it's the same thing as AU. So I prefer bullish. I prefer buys. If you sell it, right, I don't know if 79,200 is an area it might come down to. I would prefer around 79,600 first. Then you decide again. So you probably might want to make a check-in when you reach a 79.6, because this was the previous resistance that held. Hang on, let me try it properly. So this was the previous resistance that held as support as it's coming down. So 79.200 I'm not sure, but 79.600 probably. Yes. Okay, carry on. My bad.
So there's probably a couple people that have done that before as well.
I'm not
This
sure
is
if the
actually
broker
worse
can
than
take
gambling.
collateral, no?
I don't know.
Because
the
you're
back
not.
door, I think a broker is able to do everything.
Yeah, they're not a
When
bank,
when
right?
there's money on the
Oh, that's true.
line. Looking at the 5-minute, it was just a beautiful buy for me right here.
Where's Andy? Is Andy in?
6 pips. Beautiful.
Wow, this 30 can close like this. Woohoo!
What's visual order?
But visual mode?
No, visual order.
On what?
Yeah, it just says it. It's alright. I got it. It's nothing special. Let's see.
Again,
Okay.
Alexei. Enjoy, brother.
Appreciate it, bro.
A-Rod, I did trade GJ. I took a loss on it just now. Wait, swimmer side. Oh wait, Spencer. 30 is possible for an entry. I'm just looking at where I can place my stop loss safely, because I want to go up to 700. So I don't want to get caught in the mess. I think this is damn big. It's 28 for 77. This is the previous structure.
Pushing, huh? Pushing.
Spencer, what price is your low? Are you looking at this level also?
Oh wow, this is just ridiculous. GJ's a fucking whore today, man.
No, it was supposed to go up. The area
Yeah,
that we
man.
bought it,
4
right?
hour.
It's just
Yeah,
high. Yeah,
Just
it's
look at the 4 hour. You're just making
I know.
high lows. So.
yeah.
I know, but it's just that. Ugh.
That pullback
Yeah,
was just
this-
nasty.
This fake out on the 4 hour, closing this very strong, doesn't make any sense at all.
Yeah. That's why I'm so. I'm not pissed. I'm just like, wow.
Mind blown.
Yeah.
I'm not convinced that we're taking off now.
Nah, not yet.
I'm
It's,
just
that's
not
why I want to give
convinced.
my stop loss a lot of space. Because I feel like it's
Not
gonna do
convinced.
some
What did you
naughty
say? I don't
things.
think.
I said I'm not convinced that we're taking off now, like we're going up.
Yeah.
121.
It did the same thing on Friday when it took you out. L,
Oh, yeah,
remember?
yeah.
It pushed up, then came down, wicked you out, and then continued up.
Yeah. At this time. It was at this time also. Yeah.
Yes. So I don't know. It's up to you.
Man,
No, I'm
got
still
a good
waiting.
memory. I don't even remember what I ate yesterday.
8:35. Nah, Spencer, I'll definitely not put it here. If I put it here, right, I'm gonna get stopped. Like what Mesa said, the wick is gonna come down get me, and then I'll be so pissed off I got stopped the second time. I really think I will put my stop loss here. If I do take this trade, right, it will be below the previous 4 hour low. I'm going to give it so much space.
That's too big.
No, it's not to me. It's not. Because structurally, right, this low cannot break. If it breaks, it's coming down. And if I take the trade, it will look like this. Like this, with my stop loss below this support. And then I will aim for this. And beyond, obviously. So it's somewhere here. Yeah, I'm expecting it once to hold and then continue up. So if I want to have such a big stop loss, I might just wait for the hour. So I'm perfectly fine waiting for the hour also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if price breaks back above resistance at this point,
then too bad.
then I'm
for
gonna
me.
take it to that 4 hour resistance up there. That's 15 pips.
I mean, based on the 4 hour, this should go and break this area. I mean, do a high.
Oops, sorry. Yeah, exactly.
So you see high, low, sorry. High, high, low. This should go to this level.
Yeah. So I'm not really sure about my stop loss yet. That's why I'm still trying to decide. Because if 142, to me on the 4 hour, 142, 700 is quite easy to achieve on a 4 hour. But if I go up the time frames to look left, right, there is this rest of the move that is very messy on the left. So if I squeeze it and I get stopped, I'll be very irritated.
Five-minute candles are losing volume.
That's because we had the 30-minute close, so it has to make the next 30-minute low.
Low, yep. Yes, sir. See, that man BP knows what he's talking about.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Yeah, I needed to break above resistance again, create some sort of 5-minute support, and then I'll enter for 15 pips and be done for the day. Or be something like this. Pull back.
Al, can you go to the 30 minutes?
Mm?
Yeah, see what it did here? I don't know if I can draw. Can you see what I'm drawing? Am I even drawing? One second.
No, you're not.
Not yet.
See that candle here? That bullish one here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's very similar to what
it's happening
this
now.
did. Yeah.
Mm.
So the next one pushed up, but then closed bearish.
Yeah.
And this is where you took the trade somewhere here, right? Was it some? Oh, sorry. Let me.
Yeah, here, this one.
Yeah.
Here. Inside here, then I had to close it. It's the one that
Yeah.
BP and I took them. We were like, oh my god, it's not going. Okay, cut. Yeah. Yeah, here. Correct.
Totally Edwards. That would be the safest trade.
Mm.
Said what? Oh, I got an alert on gold. Oh shit, man! Fuck, it missed. I missed it. Fuck.
Chill, bro.
Damn, it already hit TP too. I just got the alert.
Did you not go? Where do you say your alert?
Right above resistance.
That's gold. Gold is
Yeah,
super
man.
fast.
Wow. I missed it. I would have
30
been up
minute.
what?
No bottom wake on GJ.
11 pips. I would have been done for today.
Trade ATS indicator uses, yeah, I know why it is. It uses order blocks and stuff like that. Hi, Mrs. Dong.
Gold, man, you're a son of a gun, man.
I think 39 pips on a 30-minute trade is wrong, but 39 pips on a 1-hour trade that I can accept. Like a 30-minute trade, like, oh my god, the biggest stop loss I can accept is 25. If not, it doesn't make sense.
No, man, I think we're going down, man. I'm not even. We're not even. I think the bots are done. Let me. Completely. Nah, we're selling.
Yeah, a lot of people think it's shorts, same as you.
Huh?
A lot of people also think it's shorts, the same as you.
I've been short since this morning.
Mm.
You know.
Yeah.
And I'm just really sticking to it, and I really think we're going short.
Yeah, I think if you have a bias, the way GJ is, right? If you have a bias, just stick to it. Like my bias is longs. Like
Yeah.
everything that comes down to me, if it doesn't break my monthly and it stays above it, it's just a pullback on the higher time frame. So I'm just going to stick to my bias. If I flip flop, I'm going to rip my account, man.
Nah, you can't do that. Yeah.
No, I'm not going to flip flop. Either I stay out or if I flip flop, it's just death. Why longs? Because nothing has changed for me. How is this a sell? How is it bearish on the higher time frame? Like nothing has changed. This candle it just closed small. Yeah.
This is intraday sales. Dude. This is not.
Yeah, it's not higher time frame sells. You're just trading the smaller area inside.
Yeah. Okay, 5 minutes just create support. I see a little bit of volume coming in though. See, but if you draw the fib, right now it's at 50%. Rejected off of it.
Where? What time frame?
At 30.
How would you draw your fib? From where?
From here to here.
Oh, down, right?
Yeah. I'm just being really patient at this point.
So
It's also right at another 4-hour level. So I think this is just stuck in between.
Just really patient.
yeah, we can get a flip around this area.
Exactly what I'm waiting for. I needed to poke its head in there. And come
I
right
need
back
that
out.
zone and in 1 hour. Not
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, because that right there, that 4-hour resistance, I needed to tap that to, you know, to confirm like, yeah, we're gonna respect this resistance and move down.
Yeah, and
It'll be
also
like a break and retest to the upside, you know. To go
yeah, it's
down.
a fake out on the 4 hour. See, we
Yeah.
had. Can you go to the 4 hour, Ellie? See, we had all this area. So you had the like break above, a fuck you candle, like, hey, you think we were gonna go up? No, we're heading down. So
Yeah.
it should retest this area, then head down.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. I see it at least coming down to what's this level here today. This level.
Yeah, yeah.
For sure. But the safest thing to do exactly is wait for this candle flip, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna look on the 5 minute to catch that.
5 minute, you nuts, man.
I always do that, man. That's how I trade.
That's how you became rich, right?
I'm not rich. I'm on
I'm
my way
kidding,
though.
man.
You're the rich one.
That's good, man.
We're all on the way. And now I see this 15-minute candle. I needed to close bearish to give me my confirmation. You know, the next 15 minutes. But you know, it's tricky though, man. It's tricky.
Why is Bobo talking?
Is Bojo talking right now?
I don't know, there's suddenly like one line. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe it's old news, I don't know. But apparently there was some UK news also. Let's see. It was, yeah, someone on YouTube shared this. Is this thing UK faces becoming a failed state? I don't see it anyway. It's probably on Capital Hungry's Twitter.
They said that on Twitter? Oh?
I think it's on Capital Hungry's Twitter. I think.
I don't even have a Twitter, man.
Former pin.
It's days like this that build character, man.
Hey, where's my fib? One, two, three.
Alright, so now I'm waiting for the 30-minute to close right back above resistance and then give us that push to back up to 142.248. Just gotta be real patient here at this point.
Ooh, maybe I should email the financial juice guy and ask him to put Capital Hungry on financial juice. Then I don't have to flip to so many pages. Idea.
I'm gonna pay you for your ID.
Nah, he really gave me this for free, dude.
Yeah, and you're giving him free juice for free. It's gonna make him richer, not you. So tell him, pay up. Yeah, man. That's
Yeah,
the
if-
life we're in, man.
If this 1 hour can close above, then I'll feel confident enough to put it here, below here. And I don't need this anymore. I can put it here already. If it closes
Stop.
above the 4-hour resistance.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for too. I'm waiting for something to close above. Looking at the 5-minute. Yes, 5 minutes pushing. Just keeps pushing up and down, up and down, up and down.
But it needs this one needs a top wick.
Which one?
As in the current 1 hour close.
Yeah. Only taking it up to 142, 250.
Check this. Check that 61.8. Holding the 50. Forming support, breaking my 4-hour. Ooh, this is looking nice. I have so much confluence at my TP levels as well. Ooh.
BP, what you looking at, man? BP's gone.
Yeah, he's... Yeah. He went to the toilet.
It's 15 minutes. It's about to close in 10 minutes. It's 30 minutes. He's rejecting already. Oh, never mind. 5 minutes. Back bullish again. 5 minutes. About to close above in the zone. Was that Kerwin? I just heard someone say hi, guys.
I'm gonna say hi.
Really?
Oh, it was Chris.
Oh, it's
Yo,
Chris.
Good.
Oh,
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, Chris's camera. Yay! Let's put him up.
yes, sir.
Oh my god. My plane is parking right now.
Voila, we're inside the zone.
Yeah. I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close bearish. I want this 5 minute to close bearish, you know?
Yeah, I get you.
Then I'll get in on the entry on the next 5 minute when it breaks the high of the previous bearish candle, which will then confirm support as well on the 5 minute. Wow, look at that. This GJ just messing with people's emotions today, man. The 15 closes, you know, I'm just gonna wait, BP, man. I'm just gonna wait for the 15.
Yeah,
Because
I'm gonna wait.
if we close in the rejection, then we're going downtown, baby. But we're not. Keep closing back in.
Oh, my camera's really high here. Yeah. I like this 1 hour.
Oh, and this next 1 hour is about to close. Oh man. I'm about to wait for another half hour, I think. Cause boy. All right. 15-minute closing back in the zone in 5 minutes. 5 minutes closing in the zone again. All right. Now I need the 5 minute to break, and I'm in.
I think if this 1 hour closes like this, with a top wick obviously, then I'll let it tap into my 4 hour resistance. So I have a 4 hour resistance at 141, 142, 100. So
I have to turn my magic keys on. I missed my trade.
if it taps to it, then yeah.
Oh, come on, man. What's going on with me today, man? I missed my trade, man. That was my confirmation right there. The trampoline effect. Breaking its high. Man. Come on, give me a bearish candle, man. A little bit. Please, sir.
$142, 300. Yeah, I see it. But the thing is, all this to the top, right? It could reject, yes, but with volume, I think it'll break. It's just a wick. I feel like it will break. This is coming for it. It's the buyers are like, we're coming.
magic keys, man.
42, 200. Let me see if I'm missing anything.
This is really irritating for me at this point. This is really irritating for me. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is really irritating for me, man. Like really. There's always something.
I'm not taking it. Just put the speaking again. I'm not taking it.
My TP would have been hit, man. That's what's irritating. I waited all morning. The loss waited all morning for this setup.
Ooh, there's news.
Yeah, there's news.
Boris is saying that he's going to maybe ease some lockdown
News.
restrictions in Feb.
Boris is
Where
on.
the hell you guys see?
Financial
Thank you.
juice. No, financial
And
juice.
we're on target to vaccinate all the vulnerable groups by mid-Feb.
Please, you gotta mute your mic. Yeah, we can hear you.
He's talking to us.
Was it?
Yes, bruh.
Yeah,
Why you so
man.
rude? I'm gonna mute you.
Come on, Mati.
Mati, why you like that?
Bruh.
Bruh,
No, I
he
thought
got
he was
a mic
playing
to
a
talk
game.
to us.
Oh my god.
No, just because he has a headset.
Mati
Bruh.
dictation.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna mute myself. Sorry.
You can talk, man. We're not like you.
You.
BP, did you get in?
No way, man. After this 1 hour close, all my sales idea went to the window.
No, I meant for the buys. I meant for the buys.
No, nope.
Uh-oh.
No, it's right at that resistance.
Yeah, I'm not taking a bite right here.
Oh
No
my
way.
god, so annoying.
No, I missed my entry. It was at the 5-minute retest break because I was gonna enter, but I had to turn my magic keys on and then it went without me.
So annoying.
Pain.
Pain, really. Pain. Bounce off the level I was waiting for. Wow. What? Wow.
Heart pain. Heart breaks. I'm just gonna eat my salt steaks in the morning because I'm salty. I'm really eating them too.
L,
Hmm?
what's your thought process on this, on GG right now? Because the 1 hour closed above the previous 1 hour,
Yeah.
but yeah,
I
I don't
have
see an entry. How would you enter? Would you wait for New York?
I feel like I want to do a dynamic entry on this, but because
Move
this
is
has a lot of confluences for me. It helped my, it's creating higher lows on the 1 hour, made a high high as well, and then came back to retest this area of my feed, and it also rejected my 4 hour zone. So that's why I think if I take this, right, I will swing it. So I'll probably put it below this week low, and then I'll go to the previous weekly high.
Damn,
Yeah.
this is a very big stop loss.
Yeah, that's the thing. The risk reward is not that fantastic. That's why if I swing it, I usually want at least like 2 or 3 R. This is a bit disgusting. But that being said, this 142,500 level is also in the way.
You don't even do it, L. Just wait for New York for the consolidation and the breakout. But this, everyone missed it. Oh, I mean, you missed the move. So did I twice already. So now I'm really just about to play my video game until New York.
That 30-minute, the from the support level looked pretty good though.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was during the twilight zone, right?
Yes,
I'm guessing
exactly.
that's why you didn't take it.
Nope, precisely my point. I
Go on
actually
can you go on the 5 minute? Oh, this is where I wanted it actually, but I hesitated. See this right here?
Yeah, that's the 30-minute, I think.
no, this is the 5.
It's, no,
This
as
is
in,
where I
it
this
will
is
be
where
the
I
same entry, I
hesitated
think.
it in buying it. Right here.
30. Let me see.
I think that will be the same entry. No.
No, it's not. 30 is a lot higher.
Cause you
950.
did, cause there was the confluences with the 61.8 with the break of 5 minute structure and the trampoline retest. Yeah.
Hmm.
I realized the past few weeks or days that this period of time during the twilight zone, there's been a lot of moves. Like there's volume.
Yeah, but it's on the. But this is already at this time, 7 o'clock. Like I'm willing to take an entry. That's the thing. It's 7 o'clock. That's why I waited for the 1 hour. But if this first target is not so near, I would be more inclined to take it.
I won't miss a move like that next time on the 5 minute at all. Watch. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum.
I'm loving it. I'm done. Meeting myself.
This man's a legend. Now, what if we tap into the 4-hour resistance again to tumble back down again? That'd be scary, man.
142, 300.
If we tap into the 4-hour bodies again, yeah. That it just made. Rejection. What is it rejecting? Resistance.
Martin, this feels like, you know, that day when I was struggling to take the 1 hour entry. This feels the same thing. then I waited for the 4 hour. It's the exact same feeling now.
Missed my entry with gold too, man. That's crazy, man. That bad boy went to the moon. 42 pips. 10 minutes. Wow.
I'm gonna go off earlier. I'm a bit tired. I don't want to force something. I'm gonna have dinner. So, whoever is taking an entry, good luck. I will wait till I'm gonna take a break and then I'll come back during New York. But farewell, everybody.
All right.
See you guys. Bye bye, YouTube.
Bye. Bye.
The Zoom guys, you guys can stay on. Like, I'm leaving the Zoom open, just that I won't be around for